Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up all of the widgets. So for example, all the footer widgets and then the various sidebar widgets. So let's just jump in and start with the footer. So let's go to our dashboard under appearance and widgets. And this is where we handle all of the widgets. So for the footer, there's 4 footer widgets possible. You just click the down arrow on the right and then you have a choice of a ton of widgets. So let's choose a fun one. Let's just do Twitter first. And we'll just pick Envato as our first one. And we'll just show 2 tweets. And we can click Save. And we'll refresh our page. And we have our recent tweets feed. Alright. So it's pretty easy. Let's say we want to get rid of it. We can either click that drop down and delete it, or you can just drop it off out of the box and it will remove it. So that's pretty easy. You can add a bunch of them. So let's just go and fill in all 4 real quick, just for example's sake. Let's see. We'll do one search one, I guess. I'm just trying to do this real quick. Alright, so we'll refresh this and then we have our 4 widgets. The footer is the only one that you can obviously change the column count on, so we're going to go ahead and show you that real quick. Under theme options, under basic settings, you can change the number of columns. So let's say we wanted 3 columns, we click save. What we're going to want to do is go under widgets and remove that 4th widget. Obviously, if you had 3 columns, that 4th widget would just pop underneath. It wouldn't work correctly. So you just want to make sure if you have 3, you only have 3 widgets displaying. One thing to note. But you can have 1, 2, 3, or 4 columns in the footer really easily under the theme options. Alright, the other things to note is the blog page has its own sidebar and the pages have their own sidebar. So all the pages share one sidebar and the blog has its own. So for example, let's just do a text one inside the blog. So we'll just do blog sidebar text. And then under the pages sidebar, I'll do another Twitter one. And we'll save these. And so under the blog, you'll see that we have one sidebar. And then under the pages we have another one. Oh, that's a full width page. But under the shortcodes one we have our other one. So it's very easy to manage the widgets there. Drag and drop. You can download plugins and add them however you wish. It's all just controlled with these down arrows and they'll display the options that they have. And so those are all the widgets.